let William Samoei Ruto stop. He should not say that where are these people after investigations. These people are known. They were there. What investigation does he want? These are his henchmen. These are his friends. The governor is his friend. We have Caleb Constant is his friend. These are the people who should be held responsible. Because if somebody comes at my place in Western Kenya and the youths became rowdy, I will go and talk to the youths myself and they will listen to me. But you cannot plan something, you scheme and you want to run away from it. Workers are always the people who get into these problems confused, they have nowhere to go, and they're the people who suffer most with their children and their wives. So this issue of just starting a problem when you know you run away, they must stop it. I know for sure, they are sure that they are losing. They are trying to count. I have never seen where they would get votes in this Republic of Kenya. That is why they are now bringing a problem that let us zone. Even if you zone Uasin Gishu in his own constituency. A half of residents of his own constituency will vote for AZZIAD. Everywhere, even in Iten, where they were causing all these problems, the AZZIAD is going to get votes. So this issue of trying to zone, politically zoning areas, I want to tell politicians to stop it. Because where has William Samoei Ruto got people? Apart from the paid people. Those people that you see around are people who have been paid to come to meetings. There are very few. And zooming of cameras to appear as if those people are millions and millions of people. He must stop. We promised as workers, particularly I, as Francis Atwoli, I said we will stop him because he's not the correct person to be a president of the Republic of Kenya. Because if he was one, we will not have an SSF. If he's one, we will not have an HIF. If he's one, there will be no any government commission or institution or parastatal that will have money. So he must stop.